In this tutorial, we're going to model a realistic mug in Blender from scratch using a reference image. We'll model the body, create the handle, connect everything properly, and finish it with subdivision for smooth results. Let's get started. First, delete the default cube. Press Shift plus a Go to Image, click on Reference, and add your mug reference image. Press Alt plus R to reset its rotation. Rotate it 90 degrees on the X-axis so it stands upright. Move it slightly backward on the Y-axis so it doesn't block the mesh. Press 1 for front view to align everything properly. Press Shift plus a Go to Mesh and choose Cylinder. In the bottom left panel, adjust the radius and depth. Increase vertices if needed for smoother geometry. Position and scale the cylinder to match the reference image in front view. Now go to Perspective View. Select the top face, press I to inset for thickness. Then press E and move downward to create the inside of the mug. Press Z and choose Wireframe to check inside edges. Then switch back to solid mode. Now select the bottom inside and outside edge loops using Shift plus Alt plus left click. Press Ctrl plus B to bevel. Increase the segments to create a smooth, rounded bottom. Do the same thing for the top edge, loops to soften the rim. Go back to front view. Press Shift plus a Go to Mesh, choose Circle. Set vertices to 16. Rotate it 90 degrees on X-axis. Switch to wireframe mode and position the circle over the handle in the reference image. Delete extra vertices so only half of the circle remains. Adjust the remaining vertices to match the handle shape in the reference image. Now go to Perspective View. Right-click and convert to Curve. In Curve Properties under Geometry, increase the depth to give thickness. Go back to Front View and adjust the control points again to perfectly match the reference shape. After increasing the depth, reduce the curve resolution to 2 so the handle has fewer vertices and is easier to connect to the mug. Once satisfied, right-click and convert the handle to mesh. Now we need to connect the handle to the mug body. Add extra loop cuts, Ctrl plus R to the mug where the handle will connect. Make sure the mug has similar vertex density as the handle. Select both the handle and the mug. Press Ctrl plus J to join them into one object. Delete the outer faces where the handle connects to the mug. Both sides must have the same number of vertices for clean connection. If needed, delete extra edges on the handle so the vertex count matches. Now select one edge from the handle and one from the mug. Press F to create faces. Continue selecting matching edges and pressing F until all gaps are filled. After filling the connection, adjust vertices slightly to improve the shape. Add a subdivision surface modifier. Increase levels to 2 for smooth geometry, and press right-click and choose Shade Smooth. Now select all faces of the handle. Press Alt plus S to slightly push them outward and make the handle thicker. Adjust vertices again, if needed for a clean and realistic shape. Finally, delete the reference image, we don't need it anymore. And that's how you can model a realistic mug in Blender step by step, using a reference image. This method helps you practice clean topology and proper object connection. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to BlendiVerse for more Blender modeling tutorials. See you in the next one.